Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question I get asked a lot. Is there a Spocket app? Now, before I dive into the answer, let's take a step back and talk about what Spocket is. Spocket is a dropshipping platform that connects you with suppliers around the world. This means you can sell products without having to hold any inventory yourself. You simply list the products on your online store, and when a customer places an order, Spocket will ship the product directly to them. So the question is there a Spocket app? The answer is yes. There are two Spocket apps available, one for Shopify and one for WooCommerce. The Shopify app is designed for Shopify stores. It allows you to easily add Spocket products to your store, manage your orders, and track your shipping. The WooCommerce app is designed for WooCommerce stores. It works similarly to the Shopify app, but it's specifically designed for WooCommerce. So, if you're using Shopify or WooCommerce and you're looking for a dropshipping platform, then Spocket is a great option. And yes, there is a Spocket app available for both platforms. Now, let's talk about some of the benefits of using Spocket. One of the biggest benefits is that it's easy to use. The apps are very user-friendly, and there's a lot of support available if you need help. Another benefit is that Spocket has a wide range of suppliers to choose from. This means you can find products for almost any niche. Finally, Spocket offers a number of features that can help you grow your business. For example, you can use Spocket to create custom product pages, track your sales, and manage your inventory. So, if you're looking for a dropshipping platform, I highly recommend checking out Spocket. It's a great option for both beginners and experienced sellers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy selling.